From content creation to quick cleanups and smart power solutions, today's lineup is all about making everyday tasks easier. These compact, innovative gadgets fit seamlessly into home, office, and on-the-go lifestyles, helping you save time, stay organized, and get more done with less effort. All products links in the description section below. Lighting can quietly transform how a room feels, and this Govee tree floor lamp makes that change effortless. Whether you're unwinding in the living room, focusing in a home office, or setting a cozy bedroom mood, its adjustable triple heads and rich color scenes adapt to your routine. Smart controls, music sync, and smooth dimming make everyday use feel intuitive, not complicated. It's the kind of upgrade you'll actually use daily, not just admire. With immersive features and sleek design, it's currently priced at $135.99 for your everyday lighting upgrade. We've all had those moments when a low battery hits while you're out the door, traveling, or hopping between devices. This Bose keychain charger is designed for exactly that kind of real-life convenience. It clips right onto your keys or bag, works with multiple devices, and charges fast without the clutter of extra cables. The LED display keeps things clear, while its durable build handles daily wear with ease. It's a small upgrade that quickly becomes essential at $17.99 for everyday charging convenience anywhere. When precision matters and quick results count, this FNIRS eye-soldering iron kit fits seamlessly into a hands-on lifestyle. Whether you're fixing electronics at home, repairing small gadgets, or tackling detailed hobby projects, the fast heat-up and preset temperatures keep your workflow smooth and stress-free. Its portable design makes it easy to move between tasks, while smart safety features add peace of mind during longer sessions. If you enjoy practical tools that actually deliver, this kit is currently priced at $80.99 for serious DIY electronics repairs. If you work from home, stream, game, or attend online classes, staying interruption-free can make all the difference. This BusyBox smart sign brings clarity to your space by clearly signaling when you're busy, on a call, or recording. With app control, smart integrations, and long battery life, it fits seamlessly into a focused daily routine. It's a simple tool that helps protect your time without awkward explanations. Right now, it's available at $129 for a more focused work setup. Some decor pieces don't just light a room, they start conversations. This floating light bulb does exactly that, blending soft illumination with a mesmerizing levitation effect that instantly elevates a desk, shelf, or home office. It's perfect for adding personality to your workspace, creating a calming nighttime glow, or gifting someone who loves unique tech. Easy to use and endlessly eye-catching, it turns everyday lighting into an experience. You can bring this striking piece home today for $69.99 to spark instant visual interest. When entertainment or creativity needs to travel with you, this ultra-portable Hourson projector makes it easy. From movie nights in the bedroom to sharing videos, games, or creative tutorials on the go, its pocket-sized design and built-in stand fit effortlessly into everyday life. Bluetooth audio, fast charging, and smooth autofocus keep setup simple, so you spend more time enjoying the moment. If you love big screen experiences without bulky gear, it's available now at $399.99 for cinema anywhere you go. Keeping multiple devices powered doesn't have to mean a messy knit stand. This Acer 7-in-1 wireless charging station brings order to your daily routine by charging your phone, watch, and earbuds in one clean setup. The built-in clock and soft night light make it perfect for bedrooms or home offices, while fast wireless charging keeps everything ready to go. It's a simple upgrade that adds convenience without clutter. Available now at $69.29 for a smarter bedside charging setup. Having the right tool within reach can save time and frustration, especially when small fixes pop up unexpectedly. This Joris precision screwdriver set fits perfectly into everyday life, whether you're adjusting glasses, fixing electronics, or tweaking gadgets at home or on the go. Its pocket-sized design, solid grip, and wide range of bits make it surprisingly versatile for such a compact tool. It's one of those handy essentials you'll keep nearby and use often, available now at $13.99 for quick, precise everyday repairs. If tangled cords and messy storage slow you down, these rope storage straps make organization feel effortless. Designed for garages, workshops, RVs, or sheds, they let you secure cords, hoses, and ropes with one hand in seconds. The gravity tightening design keeps everything firmly in place, while adjustable sizing handles both small and heavy-duty cords. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your space safer, cleaner, and easier to work in. You can grab the 4-pack today at $19.99 for fast, no-hassle cord organization. Cleaning often feels unfinished when dust hides under couches, appliances, and tight gaps you can't easily reach. This retractable gap dust cleaner is designed for real-life homes, helping you clean deeper without moving heavy furniture or straining your back. The long adjustable handle slides effortlessly into narrow spaces, while washable microfiber cloths trap dust instead of spreading it around. It fits naturally into quick weekly cleanups or deeper refresh days, making the task faster and less frustrating. It's a simple upgrade that quietly improves everyday cleanliness at $13.99 for a cleaner home routine. Keeping everyone's devices charged can quickly turn into cable chaos, especially in busy homes or shared workspaces. This multi-device charging station brings order back to your routine by powering phones, tablets, earbuds, and more from one compact hub. Adjustable dividers keep devices upright and organized, while fast charging means less waiting and more doing. It's perfect for families, offices, or tech-heavy desks that need simplicity without sacrificing speed. Once it's set up, daily charging feels effortless and stress-free at $39.99 for everyday multi-device charging hub. When productivity needs to move with you, this foldable keyboard and mouse combo fits right into a flexible lifestyle. Whether you're working from a cafe, traveling, or turning a tablet into a mini workstation, it unfolds into a full-size typing setup that feels familiar and comfortable. Easy device switching keeps you flowing between phone, tablet, and laptop without interruptions, while quiet keys make it ideal for shared spaces. Lightweight, rechargeable, and neatly packed, it's built for work on the go at $53.99 for work anywhere with ease. Losing your wallet can instantly derail a busy day, especially when you're rushing between work, errands, or travel. This ultra-slim air card wallet tracker slips in unnoticed while quietly adding peace of mind to your everyday routine. It works seamlessly with Apple's Find My network, sends alerts if you leave it behind, and even doubles as a smart digital business card. Practical, discreet, and easy to rely on, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference at $18.99 for stress-free wallet tracking daily. If you create content, vlog, or love capturing moments on your phone, this shutter handle instantly makes shooting feel more natural. The ergonomic grip adds stability for photos and videos, while the detachable Bluetooth remote lets you snapshots without touching the screen. Built-in fill light helps improve clarity in low light settings, making it perfect for quick indoor shoots or night clips. Compact and easy to carry, it's a simple tool that elevates everyday filming at $24.95 for smoother mobile content creation. Small messes can pile up quickly on desks, keyboards, and work surfaces, especially during busy days. This mini desk vacuum makes quick cleanups effortless, letting you clear crumbs, dust, and debris without leaving your workspace. Its cordless design and quiet operation fit perfectly into home offices, study areas, or even cars, keeping things tidy without disruption. Easy to use and surprisingly powerful, it's one of those handy tools you'll reach for often at $16.99 for quick, clutter-free desk cleaning. Powering multiple devices shouldn't mean tangled cables or hunting for free outlets, especially in busy workspaces or shared rooms. This Anka charging station simplifies daily routines by combining outlets, fast USB charging, and retractable cables into one clean, reliable hub. It fits naturally on desks, conference tables, or home offices, keeping phones, laptops, and accessories ready without clutter. Built-in safety features add peace of mind, while the compact design keeps everything organized and accessible. Once it's in place, charging feels effortless and streamlined at $47.99 for a cleaner charging setup. Weekend DIY projects feel far more enjoyable when tools work with you, not against you. This 4-in-1 drilled dust collector and laser level is designed for picture hanging, shelf installs, and light renovations where accuracy and cleanliness matter. It suctions securely to the wall, frees up your hands, keeps drilled dust contained, and helps you line things up perfectly the first time. From apartments to home offices, it turns small jobs into smooth wins. If you enjoy tidy, precise results, it's a smart upgrade at $50.33 for cleaner, easier home upgrades today. Keeping all your everyday devices powered doesn't have to feel boring or bulky, especially when you're juggling phones, laptops, and gaming gear. This compact 65W charger fits effortlessly into workdays, travel bags, and bedside setups, delivering fast, reliable charging without overheating. The playful screen adds a bit of personality, while multiple ports make sharing power easy at home or on the go. It's practical, efficient, and surprisingly fun to use daily. If you value speed and simplicity, it's a clever pick at $34.49 for smarter daily charging everywhere. When cooler mornings or late-night tasks call for extra warmth and visibility, this clever beanie steps in as more than just a hat. It keeps your head cozy while lighting the way and streaming music, making it perfect for dog walks, early runs, camping trips, or quick repairs without juggling gear. The hands-free LED helps you stay focused, while built-in Bluetooth keeps calls and playlists flowing smoothly. Comfortable, practical, and surprisingly versatile, it turns everyday moments into easier experiences. A fun, useful upgrade priced at $32.99 for hands-free comfort anytime. When tiny screws stand between you and a quick fix, having the right tool makes all the difference. This mini electric screwdriver is built for precision tasks, whether you're repairing a phone, upgrading a laptop, or tackling delicate DIY projects at home. With smart torque control, smooth handling, and built-in lighting, it helps you work confidently without damaging sensitive components. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for tech lovers and hobbyists who value efficiency and accuracy. A premium repair companion, currently priced at $79.99 for serious precision work. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.